So you are looking to be creative with LEGO, but are not sure what you can do. In this video, I am going to talk about my recommendations for ways you can be creative with LEGO. So one way to be creative with LEGO is to build LEGO sets. Another way to be creative with LEGO is to build your own LEGO creations. Another way to be creative with LEGO is to take a LEGO set and search for an alternative or an alternate build for the set. And another way to be creative with LEGO is to take two LEGO sets and make something using the parts from those two LEGO sets. If you want to learn about how to take two LEGO sets and make something totally awesome, I will leave a link to the video where I talk about that in the description below this video. If you want to learn how to get LEGO creation ideas, check out this video right here to learn about how to get LEGO creation ideas. So check out this video right here, and I will see you next time.